They found that there was microscopic plastic inside of the fish. The plastic that we produce is polluting the ocean, which results in the fish consuming the plastic.
So freaking. Excuse me! No!
Babe, it's gonna. I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
This diver drank a bottle of soda while upside down, underwater, and under the ice.
The Coke does not want to go to my stomach, but up to my ears. First, I have to drink the Coke until the bottle squeezes in, but because there's no atmosphere air to relieve the pressure, I have to blow some air from my lungs into the bottle to pop it back out, and then continue to drink. You can see the air floats to the bottom of the Coke bottle, so I have to drink the last bit with the bottle tilted towards my belly, or else I won't be able to drink anymore and will just get a mouthful of air. Don't worry, I pick up the garbage.
Here's a cool demonstration showing the magnetic fields of a magnet.
Este viejo está buscando que lo manden al hospital. ¿Para qué es lo que él va a hacer ahora? Ay, mi madre, por un viejo, ¿no? Como de 80 años. Stick up, fuck.
Someone found a rare caterpillar that looks like a mossy stick. An old plane was decommissioned and placed into the Red Sea near Egypt to attract scuba divers.